What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're still going to be cleaning on the car. I know, more cleaning, right? There's still some things in the jams of the trunk and the doors that I want to get cleaned. I've been cleaning the headlights a little bit. I'll show you some of that. They were pretty gross. I'll show you like a side-by-side. And yeah, just finishing up some of the minor detail cleaning, and then we got to clay bar it, and that's it. I've been talking about that for like 2 videos, but we're getting there. It's a slow process, and yeah, just gotta make sure it's right and how I want it, and having OCD doesn't help any. So let's get going, shall we? Not sure what I'll find behind here, but we're gonna go for it anyway. Blech. Surprisingly no animals, but extremely crusty. Look at this. That's like a 1/4 inch of shit on there. Ugh, man. No animals, no animals. Hey, no animals. Not as bad, but still pretty bad. I mean, look at all this crust inside there. Not so bad on this side, but get in behind there. I'm just using a very diluted bit of simple green. To really get in there and do its business. This part's the gross part. I don't know how that even gets back there. Also, I don't know what this brush is called, but it's doing a pretty good job. I got it in a little kit. Now I know you normally shouldn't get the greaser and stuff on the paint, but I'm rinsing it right off and I'm getting ready to wash the car anyway, so I'm gonna risk it and run with it really quick. Gross, gross, gross. All right, here we go. Needed to get a rougher brush to get these little pieces of gravel out, which again, don't know how that got there. How one even acquires rocks this far and that way, but apparently it happens. I'm trying to start shooting a little more of the process for you guys. I know I tend to jump through the work sometimes, but it's not you. I had trouble showing my work in math too, so. All right. That is 1,000,000 times better than what it was. No more funk. No more funk. Yeah. You'll notice it's not so bad over there, but when that begins to roll in, it's about time. So I've got to clean all this stuff up, get my stuff out of the driveway. Ow, I bit my tongue. Did you see that? Ow. Anyway, get my stuff all not in the driveway anymore so it doesn't get soaking wet. Vacuum cleaner, tripods, whatnot. And then I'll work on some things until the rain comes and go from there. Alright, so it's raining now and got the car back in the garage, got some stuff cleaned up. I did finish the tail lights before it began to rain, so I'll show you that right about now. So right now I'm done. I work in a regular garage, so when it rains, it kind of puts a damper on things. And so, yeah, I'll end this one here. Next time we'll be doing some clay barring, hopefully. I think I'm pretty much done with all the funk and stuff in the jambs and doors and all that stuff, so hopefully we'll get to do that next. Get into the paint part now, which it needs. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Leave some comments, subscribe if you liked it. You know, it's YouTube, so do the things. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.